Welcome to the conversation series for Air Cargo Southeast Asia here in Singapore. I am Nikita Sebastian from STAD Publishing Group, and I am here with Ching Kiat, Executive Vice President, Air Hub and Cargo Development, Changi Airport Group. So to start off, I would like to ask, how is Changi Airport strengthening its cargo ecosystem to support growing multimodal trade in Southeast Asia?
Hello Nikita, welcome to Singapore and thank you for inviting me for this interview. For Changi Airport, you're aware we are the 9th busiest international airport for freight, and Singapore is also host to the 2nd busiest transshipment seaport at PSA. So there are synergies between these two busy airports and seaports. So we are in constant discussion with PSA to how to improve air-sea cargo mode. We are also working collaboratively with CCN, which is the digital solution provider, to see how to improve our transshipment flows. So you have read in the news, there's also ongoing development between Singapore and Johor to set up the Singapore-Johor Special Economic Zone, which will then boost the manufacturing activities in the region. So we also expect that to be another form of multimodal, where the cargo will be trucked to Singapore and taking advantage of Changi's extensive cargo network to bring the cargo to long-haul destinations.
So could you tell me a bit about what infrastructures are shaping the next phase of air cargo growth at Changi?
Yes, I think this year we have broken ground for the T5 Terminal 5 project. So within Terminal 5, there will be a Changi East Industrial Zone, CEIV. That will take our whole cargo capacity from the current 3 million tons per annum to eventually to 5.4 million tons per annum. So that is expected to open in the mid-2030s. So that will bring the next boost for our capacity. In the meantime, in the run-up to CEIV, we are also constantly making improvements here to our capabilities and our capacity at the current Changi Air Freight Center. Early this year, SATS have opened this new BUP handling center. This project is a drive-through cargo for BUP shipments, so you'll make cargo clearance faster and you'll be a test bed of future capabilities for CEIV.
So how is Changi collaborating with airlines and handlers to enhance efficiency and connectivity across the hub?
There are a few initiatives going on, I think taking advantage of new technologies and of AI. Just to cite a few examples. First, we are embarking on an Aircraft 360 project. That is a project that makes use of cameras and sensors and AI technology to monitor aircraft turnaround for both passenger and freighter aircraft turnaround. So this will help the efficiency and also help us identify if there are any deviations from the standard process, how do you quickly do service recovery and turnaround. So with faster turnaround, I think that allows airlines and freight forwarders to help make better use of their infrastructure and achieve better efficiency. We are also embarking with our ecosystem, a truck.slot booking program. This is to digitize the whole truck.slot process and to make better use of the warehouses, the truck slots. So this project is progressing very smoothly, and we are expanding it to more areas in the future. And also another area is autonomous baggage tractors. We have been testing this for a while now. I think we are on the next phase where it will be totally driverless project.
How is the airport preparing to handle specialized cargo segments like pharma and perishables at scale?
Pharmaceutical and temperature control shipment has been an area of focus for Changi Airport. I think there are various initiatives in place. We have set up the platform for pharmaceutical producers and the logistics players to come to have a constant dialogue to see how to improve our processes and efficiency. Our partners, the NATA and SATS, also have temperature control facilities at Changi Airport that can handle the temperature control shipment. As an airport, we have also been leading and coordinating with our partners to embark on a IATA CEIV certification. We are the largest CEIV certified air cargo community in Asia. So this allows us to constantly train our people according to the CEIV standards. So as a hub, we are very well equipped to handle pharmaceutical shipments.
So what's your long-term vision for Singapore's role in the global air logistics network?
Singapore is well positioned in the midst of Southeast Asia. So ASEAN now is also an area of focus in the area for economic growth and diversification. In the current ever-changing environment, I think a lot of countries and companies are looking with interest to Southeast Asia, and Singapore is well positioned to do that. Singapore is a country where multiple bilateral and multilateral agreements, both with Southeast Asian partners and also with regional economies. As you can see from the recently concluded ASEAN summit, there were more trade deals that were signed, and the attendance of that is testament to the importance which the whole world is looking at Southeast Asia. So Southeast Asia is also poised to achieve a very strong economic growth in the coming years. So Changi Airport wants to be able to support this growth in the coming years.
Thank you so much for taking the time to talk to us today. It was great having you here.
Thank you for the interview. Thanks.